m square minus 23m plus 120. In rough column, first you have to multiply first term and third term, that is m square into 120 is 120m square. Write all the factors of 120m square. After writing all the factors of 120m square, you have to choose the correct factors of 120m square to write the expansion form of the middle term, that is minus 23m. Correct factors of 120m square is 8m and 15m to get the expansion form of the middle term minus 23m. Now I will begin the sum. First you have to write first term as it is, that is equal to m square. You have to write both the negative number, that is minus 15m minus 8m. Then third term you have to write as it is, plus 120. You have to underline and make the groups. First term and second term in one group, third term and fourth term in other group. Write it multiplication form, that is equal to m square is m into m minus 15m is minus 15 into m minus 8m is minus 8 into m plus 120 number you have to write 8 table, that is plus 15 into 8. Underline and make the groups. Then after that you have to circle which is common in first group. M is common in first group, so m you have to write outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you have to write which is uncommon, m minus 15. Second group which is common, circle it. 8 is common. Minus 8 you have to write outside the bracket, and which is uncommon, write it inside the bracket, that is m minus 15. Minus into plus will come minus. M minus 15 in bracket is repeating. M minus 15 you have to write only one time in next step, that is equal to m minus 15. Outside the bracket of m minus 15 is m and minus 8, that you have to write in second bracket, that is m minus 8. M square minus 25m plus 100. In rough column, first you have to multiply first term and third term, that is m square into 100 equal to 100m square. Write all the factors of 100m square. After writing all the factors of 100m square, you have to choose the correct factors of 100m square to write the expansion form of the middle term, that is minus 25m. Correct factors of 100m square to write the expansion form of the middle term minus 25m is 5m and 20m. Now we will begin the sum. First you have to write first term as it is, that is equal to m square. You have to take both the negative number, that is minus 20m minus 5m of the expansion of the middle term minus 25m, and third term you have to write as it is, plus 100. You have to underline and make the groups. Then next step you have to write multiplication form. M square is m into m, minus 20m is minus 20 into m, minus 5m is minus 5 into m. Then number 100 you have to write 5 table, that is plus 5 into 20. Underline and make the groups. In first group which is common, circle it. M is common, so m you have to write outside the bracket. Inside the bracket you have to write which is uncommon, that is m minus 20. In second group which is common, circle it. 5 is common, so 5 you have to write outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you have to write which is uncommon, that is m minus 20. Minus into plus is minus. M minus 20 is repeating in brackets, so m minus 20 you have to write only one time. Next step, outside the bracket of m minus 20 is m and minus 5, that you have to write in second bracket, that is m minus 5. 3x square plus 14x plus 15. In rough column, first you have to multiply first term and third term, that is 3x square into 15 is 45x square. Write all the factors of 45x square. After writing all the factors of 45x square, you have to choose the correct factors of 45x square to write the expansion of the middle term, that is plus 14x. Correct factors of 45x square is 5x and 9x to write the expansion form of the middle term, that is 14x. Now we'll begin the sum. First you have to write first term as it is, that is equal to 3x square. Then you have to write the expansion form of the middle term, that is plus 9x plus 5x. Then third term you have to write as it is, plus 15. You have to underline and make two groups. Then next step you have to write multiplication form, that is equal to 3x square is 3 into x plus 9x you have to write 3 table, that is plus 3 into x plus 5x is plus 5 into x plus 15 number now you have to write 5 table, that is plus 5 into 3. Underline and make the groups. In first group, which is common, circle it. 3x is common, so 3x you have to write outside the bracket, and inside the bracket, which is uncommon, x plus 3 you have to write in bracket. Inside the bracket you have to write x plus 3, which is uncommon. In second group, which is common, circle it. 5 is common, so plus 5 will come outside the bracket, and inside the bracket will be x plus 3. In bracket x plus 3 is repeating, write only one time. Then outside the bracket of x plus 3 is 3x and plus 5, that you have to write in second bracket, 3x plus 5. 2x square plus x minus 45. First you have to multiply first term and third term, that is 2x square into 45 is 90x square. Write all the factors of 90x square. After writing all the factors of 90x square, you have to choose the correct factors of 90x square to write the expansion form of the middle term, that is plus x. Correct factors of 90x square is 9x and 10x to write the expansion form of the middle term, x. If you have only the variable x, that means 1x. Now I will begin the sum. First you have to write first term as it is, 2x square. Then write the expansion form of the middle term, x, that is plus 10x minus 9x. Then third term you have to write as it is, minus 45. Underline and make two groups. Next step you have to write multiplication form, that is equal to 2x square is 2 into x plus 10x you have to write 2 table, that is plus 2 into 5 into x minus 9x is minus 9 into x minus 45 you have to write 9 table, that is minus 9 into 5. Underline and make the groups. In first group, which is common, circle it. 2x is common, 2x you have to write outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you have to write which is uncommon, that is x plus 5. In second group, which is common, circle it. Minus 9 is the common, so minus 9 you have to write outside the bracket, and inside the bracket, which is uncommon, write it, that is x plus 5. Minus into minus will come plus. X plus 5 in bracket is repeating, so next step you have to write x plus 5 one time. Outside the bracket of x plus 5 is 2x and minus 9, that you have to write in second bracket, that is 2x minus 9. 20x square minus 26x plus 8. In rough column, first you have to multiply first term and third term, that is 20x square into 8 equal to 160x square. Write all the factors of 160x square. After writing all the factors of 160x square, you have to choose the correct factors of 160x square to write the expansion form of the middle term, that is minus 26x. Correct factors of 160x square is 10x and 16x to write the expansion form of the middle term, minus 26x. Now we'll begin the sum. First you have to write first term as it is, that is equal to 20x square minus 16x minus 10x. Then third term you have to write as it is, plus 8. Underline and make two groups. In 20x square and minus 16x square in first group, which table is going same, that you have to take table. That is equal to 20x square is 4 into 5 into x minus 16x is minus 4 into x. Then in second group minus 10x plus 8, same table which is going, you have to take that. That is 2 table. Minus 10x is minus 2 into 5 into x plus 8 is 2 into 4. Underline and make two groups. In first group, which is common, circle it. In first group, 4x is common. 4x you have tried outside the bracket, and inside the bracket in first group, which is uncommon, write it in bracket. That is 5x minus 4. In second group, which is common, circle it. 2 is common. Minus 2 you have tried outside the bracket, and inside the bracket which is uncommon, that you have tried it. That is 5x minus 4. In bracket 5x minus 4 is repeating, that you have tried only one time. That is equal to 5x minus 4. Outside the bracket of 5x minus 4 is 4x and minus 2, that you have tried in second bracket. That is 4x minus 2. 44x square minus x minus 3. First you have to multiply first term and third term. That is 44x square into 3 is equal to 132x square. Write all the factors of 132x square. After writing all the factors of 132x square, you have to choose the correct factors of 132x square to write the expansion form of the middle term, that is minus x. If you have only the variable x, that means 1x. Correct factors of 132x square is 11x and 12x to write the expansion form of the middle term minus x. Now we'll begin the sum. First you have to write first term as it is, that is equal to 44x square minus 12x plus 11x. Then third term write as it is, minus 3. Underline and make two groups. 44x square and minus 12x in one group, you have to write 4 table. That is equal to 44x square is 4 into 11 into x minus 12x is minus 4 into 3 into x plus 11x is plus 11 into 1 into x minus 3 is minus 3 into 1. In second group, 11x and 3 you don't have any common, so that's why you take one table. Underline and make two groups. In first group, which is common, circle it. 4x is common, that is equal to 4x in bracket 11x minus 3. In second group, which is common, 1 is common, that is plus 1 in bracket 11x minus 3. Bracket 1 11x minus 3 is repeating, that write only one time in bracket next step. That is equal to 11x minus 3. Outside the bracket of 11x minus 3 is 4x and plus 1, that you have to write in second bracket. That is 4x plus 1. If you understood class 8th maths practice at 6.1 part 2 on textbook page number 30, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.